and the two more and more the world seems to be getting into a nationalistic and protectionist thing. And
For me, I have not lost anything by being in India.
correct. So the other news which is about AI. Initially, when it came out, it was considered to be a big job killer, and it was going to disrupt. It seems to be lacking a bit of that steam now. AI. What do you think?
I think one thing is very clear that you should know how to use AI.
Correct.
So the dumb jobs may go, but the rich jobs will stay.
The impact of AI in the short term, at least, seems to have been not as severe as we thought. And now the Japanese Nikkei.
Yes, I did cover it on Thursday in Money Page. The Japanese Nikkei has reached the 34-year high. A long torturous waiting is over in the world.
Yes.
Between 1929 and 1954, 25 years was the waiting period for the Dow to cross a peak. This is 34 years.
Yes.
I'm glad because when I saw Warren get in, we got in. So I'm very happy that who entered Japan have made some money. But this is the beginning of the story.
Yes.
Next 2 years, I expect Japan to do well. So I won't be surprised if Japan makes 15-20% trend from here. So it's my appeal that if you can spare some money, that is about, say about 30,000-40,000 rupees a month, you should look at the Japanese market. And those who want to invest in the Japanese market, you want to know about it from our team to contact trader. We know about Japanese and American stocks. Fill the Google Docs down so that he will help you.
What about Bill Ackman, man? This guy is all over the place. Now, from being a bear bull, now his latest thing is this activist he's become about Israel.
Bill Ackman made a lot of money. He lost a lot of money betting against that Herbalife. And he made a lot of money by getting the interest rate hikes very high. So he had a great pay year because he made sure that he would do very well with the bond market and he covered the shorts at the right time. And he is a Jew. And when Israel attacked Palestine, and because this is a Hamas attacked them first, he and some of the big universities like Harvard were saying that this was a problem. That these Palestinians were wrong.
Yes.
So he led a charge in favor of the Israelis and got the Harvard chief removed.
Yes.
So that was a very important thing.
What about NVIDIA?
NVIDIA has shown that revenues and profits have surged. Revenues have crossed more than 250%. So this is a tipping point. And NVIDIA stocks after trading hours on Thursday went up by 11%. So NVIDIA is really growing big. And today NVIDIA does not have competition.
Correct.
But what you are not telling them players today, which I again covered on Thursday, is that Intel has tied up with Microsoft and Google.
Yes.
Imagine Microsoft and Intel coming together.
Yes.
Andy Grove and Bill Gates together.
Yes.
Now what has happened is Microsoft is going to design AI chips and Intel is going to manufacture it.
Yeah.
So Intel is saying it will have two product lines. One line which will design and manufacture chips and another which will manufacture.
This goes along the line what Sam Altman was saying, that he's looking to set up his own chip manufacturing facility and he's looking for investors in UAE and all that.
Yes, but what has happened is the guy Paul Gelsinger, who came to rescue Intel, ex-Intel man, who was running the VMware, he has now come back and he's moved the first mover advantage.
Yes.
He is saying, he said correctly, 20% of the world is chips are being made in US and Europe. Taiwan and China are having the market share. China invades Taiwan is a big problem. So Intel would move 60% of its manufacturing facility to Western Europe. And he's put his money where the mouth is. The chip acts benefited him. And this tie-up with Google, Microsoft is really going a long way. So if the whole world is looking at NVIDIA, I would look at Intel. I've been crying hoarse about Intel. Intel went up dramatically. It corrected on results. And today's the news on Thursday that Intel is going to benefit from Microsoft and Google means that the price was going to go through the roof. So NVIDIA is a company that's already done. I cannot buy it. It's an opportunity we have missed. But Intel is an opportunity we can still cash.
What is your opinion about crypto, Anand? It's been a long time since we talked about crypto. Has it anything changed in your mind about crypto?
It's not. It's like gold. It's not going to give in any cash flow. The difference in gold in India is you can make money against gold. Against Bitcoin, you cannot make money. And whatever they said about Bitcoin, whatever they said
But initially claimed, saying it will become replacing currency. We'll all be buying and selling in Bitcoin.
Bullshit.
Yeah, no one seems to be using Bitcoin.
And they said you cannot track anonymity. Now FBI can track who is doing everything.
All governments are tracking.
So all the secrecy is over. Now what is driving Bitcoin? It's a collectible like collecting baseball cards. So it's in fashion. And now, since it's $50,000, only few people can reach it.
Yes.
So I have started retail so that you can buy in small quantities. Till the world stops being mad. And you can copy it. If there can be thousands
ETF is basically, that's what it is. What people don't realize about Bitcoin and ETF is.
Yes.
It's allowing more money to flow into it.
More money to flow into it.
Yeah.
And there are plenty of Bitcoins. Whatever they said will be crypto is dead. I said in a lecture, people said, no, you're wrong. The moment I can use UPI, that is, all the advantages of Bitcoin is finished.
Correct.
I can move money.
Even digital rupee, I don't understand what it is.
Wow. So you use Google Pay. Most of what Bitcoin can do today is done in that.
From my lottery person to everybody is taking Google Pay now.
Yeah. But you have a technology. Yes, it's great technology and all that. But this simple technology allows me to transfer without cash. The right to print currency is that of the government. Another reason why Bitcoin is running is it's allowing people to get out of authoritarian regimes.
Yes.
There is a big difference, arbitrage between Bitcoin prices in China and America. It's cheaper in America and costlier in China because all the people who are running out of China buy a lot of Bitcoin, put it in their wallet and take money out in America.
Because some of our viewers were offering me and Shashwat some humble pie. Me and Shashwat have asked for apple since we have been offered humble pie. Any specific flavor would you like?
Anything. I have done nothing for me to eat humble pie.
Yeah, so that's what Shashwat also saying the same thing. We are on this side of the fence. We would love to debate with someone who's on the other side of the fence, who believes...
First of all, the guys who who are commenting are not in a position to buy Bitcoin.
Yes.
$50,000 means something like nearly 45 lakhs.
Yes.
If you can buy 45 lakhs Bitcoin...
And you think that is the best investment right now?
Please go ahead.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
As far as technology and other things goes,
yes,
Bitcoin is a failure. And I think it's come down below 50,000 as we speak.
It's below 42 lakhs in dollars.
It's at 51. And it is because of the ETF.
Yes,
So
more funds are flowing in.
Yeah. Like diamond, what will happen is when diamond dies out, today diamond will not go up because I can make lab diamonds better than real diamonds.
Of course, there is something known as a Bitcoin halving, which is coming up. And that's one of the main reasons for this price surge also. So, anyway, those of you who live in that universe, continue living. We have nothing against it.
But it's not going to replace currencies in any time soon.
If you're looking at it in terms of an investment, there are better opportunities, what me and Anand are saying.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
आपने इस पॉडकास्ट पे उपस्थित हुए, इसको सुना, इसके लिए मैं आपका आभारी हूँ। अगर आपको इस वीडियो पसंद आया, इसको वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन दबाएं। हो सके तो इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्त और रिश्तेदार के पास भेजें और उनको देखने की आग्रह करें। नमस्कार, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद।